It's a good idea to read through the home report before moving forward in your property search. Sellers are legally required to provide a home report when they put their home on the market. A home report is made up of 3 documents. Number 1, a single survey undertaken by a surveyor, which is a report of the internal and external condition of the property. Number 2, an energy performance certificate, which lets you know the energy efficiency of a home. And finally, number 3, a property questionnaire which is completed by the seller and gives information on the home which may be helpful for prospective purchasers. The 2 things you should look out for in a home report are the home report valuation and the single survey category repairs. The home report valuation will let you know what the surveyor deems the property is worth. This is used to set the seller's expectation for the purchase price and is also the price that the banks will lend against. Your ESPC solicitor estate agent will be able to advise on what similar properties in the area are achieving by looking at ESPC data, which can help inform what you may offer. The single survey contains information on the features and condition of various parts of the property, as well as the building it's part of where applicable. Each aspect of the property is given a category rating of 1, 2 or 3. Category 1 indicates that no immediate action or repair is needed. Category 2 means that repair or replacement will be required in future, and it is recommended that estimated costs are obtained prior to purchase. And Category 3 means that urgent repair or replacement is required immediately, and estimated costs should be obtained prior to purchase. It is important to read through this information carefully to understand what work is required for the property and how urgently this work is needed. You can then discuss with your solicitor whether to obtain estimates for the cost of the work and at what stage those estimates should be obtained. It is possible that the seller may have already obtained estimates which can be made available to you. For more property advice, head to espc.com.